Hello friends, in this video we are going to look at the various statistical methods that we can use in data frames, and we have already created a data frame from scratch in a previous video, and if you want you can look at that video and come back here. I will give the link in the description box, and basically we are using pandas and the matplotlib library, and we are going to use several methods from these libraries. So first we are going to import the pandas. So let us run this code. So there is no problem in that. Then we have created a data frame from scratch in which we have given a dictionary elements, and we have created data frame using the pd.dataframe class that we have in Python. Then we are printing the data frame. Then we have found the shape, that is the dimensions of the particular data frame, which is 3 by 3. Then we are finding the names of the columns using the columns method or attribute in the pandas class. Then what we are doing is we are going to find the mean of the age column that we have. So as we can see, we have age of 12, 13 and 16, and it has calculated the mean as 13.66. The syntax is dt1, which is a data frame. In the bracket, the column for which you want to find out the mean, and dot mean followed by the parenthesis. Similarly, we have median function for finding the median of our column. Then I am using the matplotlib.pyplot package in Python, and I have nicknamed it as PLT. Then using the PLT class, I am drawing a scatter diagram, and in this I have given on the x-axis there is name, and on the y-axis age will be plotted. Similarly, I have called scatter with the name on the x-axis and height on the y-axis, and then we have the plt.show. So we can see here both the plots are shown in the same diagram, and the heights are shown in the yellow color and the age is shown in the blue color. So like this we can use the matplotlib to draw simple scatter diagrams. If you want to look at more variations that you can bring about in the scatter diagram, then you can look at another video in which I have discussed the scatter plots in detail. And I hope this video is useful. It is a very simple example of the various descriptive statistics and the matplotlib on very simple data. So I hope this example is useful to you. If you find my videos useful, please share it with your friends and put the links on various social media platforms where others can access them. Thank you very much.